Hindu scriptures are classified into two parts, Shruti and Smriti. The Vedas are classified under śruti. A commonplace opinion in Southern Asian religious discourse suggests that, unlike other religions which claim the authority of the scriptures as being delivered by a personal god as special messengers of God, Hindus claim that the Vedas do not owe their authority to anybody, rather, the Vedas themselves have the authority, being identical with the eternal knowledge of God. This view, along with the classificatory schema, is a product of the Pūrva-Mīmāṁsā-darśana, one of the earliest hermeneutical schools in Indian antiquity. There is some evidence, however, that this school was not the only early opinion on the origins of the Veda. Cf. the Itihashikas. According to the Mīmāṁsā tradition, the massive knowledge called the Veda became manifested to historical being via the divine mediation of persons called rishis, the seers. This massive knowledge was eventually recorded in written form, though for the greater part of Indian history, these works were passed from generation to generation by a sophisticated practice of mnemonic heuristics, so that many thousands of hymns were committed to memory in a phonetically conservative form. The written forms of these hymns offer us little outward information about the original dates of discovery or composition. Thus, historians of Vedic texts are frequently left to making highly inferential arguments for the works by various subtle, indirect clues. Timeline. The following list provides a somewhat common set of reconstructed dates for the terminus antiquity of Hindu texts, by title or genre. All dates here given ought to be regarded as roughly approximate, subject to further revision, and generally as relying for the validity on highly inferential methods and standards of evidence. Rigveda 1500 to 1100 BCE, Samaveda 1500 to 500 BCE, Yajurveda 1500 to 500 BCE, Atharvaveda 1500 to 500 BCE, Upanishads 1200 to 500 BCE, Mahabharata 400 BCE to 400 CE, Bhagavad Gita 400 BCE to 300 CE, Ramayana 400 BCE to 400 CE, Samyutta Sutra, Mīmāṁsā Sutra 300-200 BCE, Arthashastra 400 BCE to 200 CE, Nyaya Sutra 2nd century BCE, Vaiseshika Sutra 2nd century BCE, Yoga Sutras of Patanjali 100 BCE to 500 CE, Brahma Sutra, Puranas 3rd 16th century CE, Shiva Sutras 8th century CE, Abhinavabharati 950 1020 CE, Yoga Vasistha 10th 14th century CE.